an application will ask to go into your device settings, pretty much be able to use the application. So once you have pretty much in your settings section, you pretty much just scroll and look for, it may be different on your devices for advanced settings. I'm pretty much using a Samsung device here. So once you've selected the option, let me just accessibility here, and you'll be able to find the installed service. So if you can find the section, you'll be able to enable the application. So this is the application, NoVolume. So once you have enabled it, you're pretty much good to go. And just tap on allow here, and you're good to go. So once it's enabled, we'll ask you a few questions to grant notifications and so forth. You can go into settings and do that. You don't have to do that right now. We can just tap on next and continue. So we'll ask you to activate this or disallow or some battery optimization here, but nothing much for that. You can just tap on later. So once you have pretty much enabled it, as you can see here, you will have this volume rocker to adjust your sound. And if I do try to turn up my sound, as you can see here, it will pretty much show this here. And I can move it around. So it won't show the normal one that I have for my device. It will show this one here, which I can use if my power button, not my power button, my volume button is not working. I can pretty much use this if my volume button is not working. So I can always go into this application here and pretty much adjust the sound if my volume button is not working. So that's really pretty much it for that. You have some other features. You have the features which can enable here. You have the haptics and some other features, all based upon what you want, guys. So these are some other features you can enable as it relates to this here. So I can't go through all of them, but you can just take your time to just go through everything one by one. But if you don't know much about this application, you really don't have to enable anything as it relates to this. And as you can see here, I do recommend you enable this feature here and as well this here, but the rest of the feature can stay as it is. You have the color option here, which pretty much adjusts the color of the wheel option there. Nothing much for that as well. And you have some other features down here. So nothing much for these features. You can let it stay as it is. Very good application if your volume button is not working. And if you still don't understand, let me know in the comment section if you have any problem with the application, and I'll see if I can help you. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.